the strong easterly headwinds eased, and we could leave Augusta. Beginning with a 180k overnight sail to Peaceful Bay. At first motor, not sail, was the operative word. So, the crew caught up on sleep after the early start. A lot of sheer cliffs along the southern coast, bouncing the swells back, making very confused seas. We arrived before dawn, so we had to sail back and forth until we could see to navigate in. A tight squeeze between patches of reef, but calm enough to land Dosha. After a long night, keen to go ashore. Happy now. I wasn't happy with the available anchor swinging room for our draft. So, after exercising Dosha and a peaceful breakfast, we continued on to Dunsky Bay. Our trusty helmsman doing the hard work. Into Dunsky Bay. A nice beach and anchorage. A small amount of swell creeping around the point. A small, protected landing spot, I thought, to get Dosha ashore. But in the end, we braved the small break on the beach. Dunsky Bay to Albany. Some significant swells at times, up from the Southern Ocean. Rounding Bald Head. Into protected and calm waters. A delightful afternoon sail across King George Sound, then into Port Albany. Into a berth in Albany Waterfront Marina. The marina is next to the entertainment center. And close to the grain export terminal. From the entertainment center, there is a walkway that crosses the main road. And the railway that leads to the wharfs. A trainload of grain. The walkway ends at a street with many restaurants. we hired a car to do some exploring around to the historic whaling station. London Bridge. To get an idea of scale, 2 people top left, a photo I took in 2004. Salmon Beach. Lunch at the old whaling station. The whale oil storage tanks have been repurposed into exhibitions and small theatres. The Cheyne Whale Chaser. Beached at high tide, then a groin built around her. To float her higher up the beach. Harpoons for catching whales. A harpoon gun. Winches for hauling up whale carcasses. Flensing deck, or platform, where blubber was cut off the whale carcass. Boilers for processing the whale oil. looking back to the harbour, top left. Dinner at Due South, a restaurant at the harbour. In the next chapter, we visit the Anzac Field of Lights.